Umlando wezombusazwe usuka ekucwaseni ngobuhlanga, ukubulawa kanye nokucindezela abantu abamnyama bencishwa namathuba. Kulombuso wencindezelo abantu abamnyama ababelwe nombuso wobandlululo babebulawa kwathi abanye babejuqwa entolongweni, kodwa ekuhambeni kwesikhathi uDe Klerk wabamba iqhaza ekukhululeni kukababa uNelson Mandela ejele. Umengameli wokugcina wombuso wencindezelo uFW De Klerk ushonile namhlanje. Umengameli uRamaphosa uthi yize enomlando ongemuhle uDe Klerk wabamba iqhaza ekutheni iningizimu Afrika igcine ibuswa nguhulumeni wentando yeningi.
He did play a key role in ushering in democracy in our country. He was a leader of a party that was largely discredited in relation to the role that the National Party played in enforcing apartheid.
Umengameli wezwe uthi umbuso ophethwe yiqembu lezombusazwe iNational Party wawubahlalisa lubhojozi abantu, kodwa uDe Klerk nguyena owaqala izingxoxo zokuqeda nya ngobandlululo.
He had the courage to step away from the path that his party that he led had embarked upon from 1948, and we will remember him for that.
Uhulumeni owulawulwa yiNational Party washiya izibazi ezinkulu eningini labantu abamnyama.
And of course, the policies that the apartheid regime espoused and implemented have wreaked a lot of havoc on millions and millions of South Africans. And it was the havoc that many of our people will never forget and have suffered from.
Njengoba umndeni kaDe Klerk uzokwazi ukuthi ungcwatshele kuphi ubaba, umalume kanye nomkhulu wawo, nje iningi labantu njengamanje alazi izidumbu zezihlobo zazo ukuthi zikuphi. NginguSamkele Maseko, ngibikela izindaba zeSABC eGoli.
Kusenjalo uFW De Klerk wazalwa ngomhla we-18 ngoMarch ka-1936. Lo kaDe Klerk ibiyenye yenkokheli zezopolitiko eziphambili phansi kohulumente wengcinezelo nalapho aqhuzule imikhala kumasebe awohlukeneyo ebuhulumendeni. NgoFebruwari ka-1989 wanyulwa njengomongameli weNational Party engena ezihlangwini zikaPW Botha. Kwangalo nyaka mnye waba ngumongameli weli phansi kwalohulumente wegcunswana. Ngethuba eqhuzula imikhala njengomongameli wakuphelisa ukubhangiswa kwamaqela ezopolitiko awayenqaqhele ngasekhohlo naquka iANC, iSACP nePAC. Wakhulula namatshantliziyo ezopolitiko ze wabhengeza ukukhululwa kaba uNelson Mandela entolongweni.
I am now in a position to announce that Mr. Nelson Mandela will be released at the Victor Verster prison on Sunday, the 11th of February.
Ngenquleqo yakhe wathi wajize ngewonga leNobel Peace Prize bekunye nomongameli Nelson Mandela owaba ngumongameli woqala wentando yesininzi. Ngo-1997 lo kaDe Klerk wathatha umhlala phansi kwezopolitiko. uFW De Klerk ibinguthekwana kuba ebemhle ngapha embi ngaphaya.
De Klerk said that apartheid was not crime against humanity. It's an unrepentant apologist of apartheid who is not willing to accept that apartheid was crime.
Lendadeba ikhabile ibhekile ngalentsasa ikwikhaya layo emva kokulwa idabi elide nesifo somhlaza ineminyaka engama-85 isidlamazimba. Ushiya ngasemva kulomhlaba umagadahlabayo ngameva nenkunzane unkosikazi wakhe, abantwana ababini nabazukulwana.